In this video, we will cover the process of cleaning your extruder nozzle. On screen is a list of things that you will need to do this. Using the BuildFlow maintenance console, raise the extruder up enough for you to access the nozzle comfortably. Heat the extruder to 220 degrees Celsius and wait for it to reach the set temperature. Lightly scrub the nozzle with the scouring pad to remove any buildup. If you have any trouble, please submit a support request. Thank you for watching.